You won't believe what the latest CGDI A2 update unlocks. Must-see features. Before we dive in, here's a quick but important copyright disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Everything we show here, from demonstrations to discussions, is solely meant to help vehicle technicians, enthusiasts, and learners understand automobile diagnostics and programming. We follow fair use guidelines. No copyrighted material here is used for any commercial gain, and all trademarks and brand names belong to their respective owners. Please always respect manufacturer guidelines and follow local laws when working on vehicles. All right, let's get right into it, because what I'm about to share with you today could seriously level up your diagnostic and anti-theft programming game. Have you ever wondered which Volkswagen anti-theft systems are now fully supported by CGDI A2? If you think you already know the answer, take a second, scroll down, and post your guess in the comments right now. I'll reveal the correct answer at the end of this video. So grab a seat, because over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the brand new CGDI A2 Update V018, packed with powerful anti-theft and diagnostic features that you can't afford to miss. Whether you're a garage owner, a hobbyist tinkerer, or a professional programmer, these updates are about to make your job much easier and more exciting. But before we roll ahead, let me make one small heartfelt request. Most of you watch our videos without subscribing. It takes just a second, but it really helps us keep Baabji Motors alive and thriving. So please, subscribe right now. Hit that bell so you never miss an update. And if you truly find this video valuable, consider sharing it with a friend or even sending a super thanks to support our channel. Let's set ourselves a target. Can we hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours? I know you all can make it happen. So here's the big news. CGDI A2 has just rolled out its latest update, version V018, and it's nothing short of impressive. Let me break it all down for you, not just as a list, but as a story you can follow and understand. First and foremost, the highlight of this update is the brand new anti-theft matching function for Volkswagen NEC plus 95320_873B systems, covering both H51 and H52 types. What does that mean? Well, these systems are crucial for securing VW vehicles against unauthorized access. And now with CGDI A2, you can program and match them seamlessly. No more scratching your head or sending cars back to the dealer. You've got the power in your hands now. But wait, that's not all. This update doesn't just stop at Volkswagen. CGDI A2 has widened its reach to Geely Group vehicles, too. In this segment, you can now read 4-digit passwords for Geely models, a massive help when you're trying to complete anti-theft tasks. On top of that, the update adds support for anti-theft matching on a wide array of Geely vehicles, including the adorable Panda Mini, the stylish Geometry, also known as the Firefly, the funky X3 nicknamed Kung Fu Cow, and others like the G3, M6, Levon 7 and 9, X3 Pro, Maple Leaf 30X, 60S, ADV, even the Chow Chow 60 and Radar RD5 and RD6 models. That's a huge boost for anyone servicing Chinese vehicles, and you're now better equipped to handle them confidently. And guess what? The BAIC series hasn't been left behind either. This update now covers 5 BAIC submodels: Saab, Huansu, Jeep, Weiwang, and EV. It means whether you're dealing with a rugged Jeep or an electric BAIC, CGDI A2 has your back. The update also extends to FAW series vehicles, adding support for Weiji and Junpei models. And to round it off, the ZNA series is now also covered, including common models like Schweik, Ruichi, and Paladin, names that technicians in Asia will instantly recognize. Doesn't that sound like a huge leap forward? Now you can see why this update is a game changer, and why I'm so excited to share it with you all. If you're wondering how to update your CGDI A2 software to unlock all these features, don't worry. The process is super straightforward. Just connect your device to your PC, launch the CGDI software, and follow the prompts to download and install the V018 update. Within minutes, you'll be ready to start using all these incredible new capabilities. Speaking of incredible, here's a gentle reminder. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far and feel like you've learned something useful, please don't forget to hit that like button right now. It tells YouTube you value this content, and it helps more technicians and enthusiasts find this information. Also, let me know in the comments, which of these new features do you think will help you the most? The Volkswagen NEC support, the Geely password reading, or something else? And don't forget, we're still aiming for those 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in 24 hours. Your engagement fuels this channel, and I can't thank you enough. Now, before I wrap up, let me share my personal take. I think this update proves just how much CGDI listens to its users. Expanding support to lesser-served brands like Geely and ZNA shows they're paying attention to market demands, not just sticking to the big names. Personally, I'm most excited about the added support for Geely and the BAIC Jeep submodels, because those vehicles are becoming more common in workshops, yet often lack good aftermarket tools. But what about you? Which feature are you most excited about? Post your thoughts in the comments. I really want to hear what you think. And before we end, let me answer that question I asked at the beginning. Which Volkswagen anti-theft system does this update now fully support? The correct answer is the Volkswagen NEC plus 95320_873B, H51, and H52. If you guessed it right in the comments earlier, congratulations. And if not, no worries. Now you know. Oh, and here's a fun fact before you go. Did you know the Volkswagen Group has over 340 different anti-theft ECU variants in circulation globally? No wonder tools like CGDI A2 need constant updates to keep up. Finally, if you've enjoyed this video, learned something new, or just appreciate the effort that goes into bringing you these updates, I have one last heartfelt request. Please like this video, drop a comment, share it with your fellow technicians, and subscribe to Baabji Motors if you haven't already. Let's hit that ambitious goal of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in 24 hours. Together we can make it happen. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and thank you to all my loyal subscribers and regular viewers. Your support is what keeps Baabji Motors alive and growing. Stay safe, happy diagnosing, and I'll see you in the next one.